how a history degree is a great fit for continuous improvement. I'm Amanda Zimmerman. I have a bachelor's in history from California State University of Bakersfield, and I've been a continuous improvement professional for over a decade. I started my career thinking I was going to be a history teacher. It didn't work out, and now I'm in other industries using that same degree, using those skills. So I want to talk in this video about how that history degree has translated into success in my life. So for one, having the degree, having a bachelor's degree helps you as you go into business, as you go into companies. It's often a requirement to be promoted, so it's a great thing to have on your CV. Now, there are other things, other certifications or professional organizations that it's important to be a part of to make sure that you are able to transition from your history degree into things like the business world. And that's exactly what I was able to do, was to get a certification. So I have my bachelor's and then my professional certification, and both of those together really helped me to be able to launch my career. Now, bigger than just having the bachelor's, let's talk about history specifically. Now, history is simply organizing a lot of facts, right? A history degree, what you're doing is you're researching a lot of facts, you're vetting the sources, you're making sure that these are in fact factual events that you're discovering, that the things that you're discovering have data behind them, have information behind them. So you're vetting those resources, you're organizing that information in a way, and then you're presenting that information either through books, through lectures, or maybe at a museum. When we're doing continuous improvement, we're going out and we're getting data. We're validating that that data is real. We're trying to understand what's actually happening with this process. We're bringing people together to organize all that information so that we can make good decisions, and then we're communicating that out amongst our teams. So if you have a history degree, or if you're into continuous improvement and history, I will tell you that there are a lot of connections between these two. Now, with my history degree, I am challenged on that from time to time by employers or clients, and that is really my response. A history degree is all about research, organization, and communication, which is exactly what we're doing in continuous improvement. So if you're a history professional, if you have a history degree, I encourage you to check out maybe a white belt course or a lean course to see maybe if continuous improvement would be a good option for you.